So now today we are, first of all, welcome you all, and today's topic is exercise 11.1. It's related to linear equations. So you now know how to solve the linear equation. So now we will be doing the sums on this. So these are simple equations in which you have to find out the values of the variables. Okay. Now the first question is, the very first thing is you have to solve the following equations. First sum and its part is 3 by 7x plus 1 is equal to 16 by 7. Okay. So
Yes,
will you
ma'am.
try?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So give it a try. So now in this, as I prefer that you should collect up the x terms on the left hand side and take non-x terms, the other non-variable terms on the right hand side. So in this way, we have to take this one to the right hand side, and obviously sign will change as the plus one is there in plus form. So it will go and be converted into negative. So 3 by 7x is equal to 16 by 7 minus 1. So obviously now we'll have to take LCM. So it will be 3 by 7x is equal to 16 minus 7 by 7. Yes. So now 3x becomes equal to 9 by 7. Up 7 is common, so it got struck off. So okay. So x is coming out to be 3. So our value of x
3.
is coming out to be 3. Very good. Yes. Okay. Now the next question. Next is beta, x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Now give this question a try. Yes. So, beta, as you know, when you have to solve the equations, now both of you have calculated the answer, I know, but still we will discuss. Okay. Now, we will take this 1 to the other side, so it will become minus 1. So, after taking the LCM, I am getting x by 3 is equal to 7 minus 15 by 50. Okay. So, when I have done the subtraction part, so I am getting x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. Now this 3 will go to the numerator side. Okay, it will move on to here. So x becomes equal to minus 8 into 3 by 15. So 3 and 15 they get have a common factor, which is 5. It's not common factor. 15 has got 3 as a factor. So x is equal to minus 8 by 5. So this comes our answer. Clear beta? Now the next.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
is beta.
The next की value में -1.
Okay. 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. Now in this case, this type of question, what you are able to see the changes, you have a variable on both the sides. So we need to collect the variables on one side and the non-variable terms on the other side. Okay. So 5x minus 3x is equal to minus 5 plus 3. So x becomes equal to minus 2 by 2, which means our answer will be equal to x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Yes. So our x came out to be minus 1. Okay. Now the
Yes, ma'am.
next part, second part of this question. 3x minus 7 is equal to 3 into 5 minus x. Okay, but इसमें what you would have to do, what the trick is, 3 is
Yes,
outside
ma'am.
this bracket, so 3 will get multiplied with 5 as well as with minus x. So I'll be getting 3x minus 7 is equal
मैम
to,
11/3 है.
yes, 15 minus 3x. So I have to collect the x terms on one side, so I prefer collecting them on the left hand side. So I get 3x plus 3x is equal to 15 plus 7. So in the end, I am getting 6x is equal to 22. So x comes out to be equal to 11 by 3. Yes, clear?
3.
Now, question number
Yes,
3,
ma'am.
first part. Now this question says 4 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Again, you have to solve the
मैम
bracket.
0.
Yes. So 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7. Because 3 जो है वो दोनों टर्म्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. Similarly 4 भी दोनों टर्म्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So after solving this, I am getting 8x minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 4. That means 5x is equal to 0, or I can say x is equal to 0 by 5. So anything divided by 0 divided by anything will be 0 only. So x comes out
Yes,
to be
ma'am.
0. Yes. Yes. Now we will move on to its second part. Second part is saying 3. Yes. 3 into 2p minus 1 is equal to 5 minus 3p minus 2. Now what you have to
And
see
10
in
upon
this,
9.
yes, इसमें आपको क्या देखना है बेटा? When there is a negative sign outside the bracket, the inner signs will change. वो हमेशा opposite हो जाएंगे. So it will become 6p minus 3, क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 जो है वो multiply हो रहा है. 5 minus 3p plus 2. Okay, so 3p minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 3p. Ab 3p ko we will bring to our left hand side, so it becomes 6p plus 3p is equal to 7 plus 3, which simply means that 9p is equal to 10, or we can say p is equal to 10 by 9. Clear beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the fourth question and its first part. Now first part is saying 5y minus 2 bracket y minus 3 bracket y minus 5 bracket and whole bracket is equal to 6. अब देखो बेटा, इसमें what you have to do, first of all we will solve the inner bracket. So as minus 3 is being multiplied with y as well as with minus 5. So what I am getting, 5y minus 2 bracket y minus 3y plus 15. So first of all we will solve the like terms. So y minus 3y will become minus 2y. Now this 2 is being multiplied with minus 2y as well as with 15. So it will become, as 2 is with minus sign, so
13 upon
5y,
3.
yes, so it will be 5y plus 4y minus 30 is equal to 0. So that means 9y is equal to 36. So that means our y will come out to be equal to 4. Yes, clear beta? So y is coming out to be 4. Now
Yes, ma'am.
the second part. अब second part is important. देखो 0.3 into 6
Second part
minus
आपका
6.
लिखने आओ.
हाँ जी.
मैम अब आया, मैम पहले सेकंड पार्ट लिखने नहीं आता.
Okay. It's 0.3 into 6 minus x is equal to 0.4 into x plus 8. अब देखो इसमें क्या है, what I have done, I have reduced this decimal into fraction. ठीक है, मैंने इसको fraction में convert कर दिया, तो it became 3 by 10 and 4 by 10. अब दोनों साइड पे ये 10 है, तो मैंने क्या किया, इन दोनों 10 को struck off कर दिया. Okay राशि, so what I am left with, मेरे पास क्या बच गया, 3 bracket 6 minus x is equal to 4 bracket x plus 8. Okay, so now 3 is being multiplied with 6. Yes,
मैम minus 2 आंसर आएगा.
okay, 18 minus 3x is equal to 4x plus 32. So now as you know कि हम x को पहले collect करेंगे on one side, so it is minus 3x minus 4x is equal to 32 minus 18. So it becomes minus 7x is equal to 14, which means our answer is coming out to be x is equal to minus 2. Yes, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we will move on to fifth question and first part. Okay, beta. First part is saying x plus 1 upon 3 minus y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 plus 2y by 3. Now you give this question a try and you know, do not need to speak the answer. I'll discuss this. Okay, just go for a try. Okay. See, when you are going to attempt this kind of questions, just keep thing in this in your mind is the minus sign. Okay, kindly keep this sign in your mind, otherwise it will ruin your question. Okay ji. Now we will take the LCM. So LCM is coming out to be 6. So it is becomes, this whole bracket will be multiplied with 2 and this whole bracket will be multiplied with 3. So when you are solving, you are getting as 2y plus 2 minus 3y plus 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 plus 2y upon 3. So I have done the cuttings over here only. So I got this 2 will move to this side. So it will become minus y plus 5 is equal to 2 bracket 1 plus 2y. Okay, beta. So on solving the thing, I am getting minus 5, y is equal to minus 3. So that means y is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, beta. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these questions are interesting, right? Okay. Now the next. Yes. Now I will see who will do first. p by 3 plus p by 4 is equal to 55 minus p plus 40 by 5. ये पूरी एक ही term है बेटा. Yes. Now in this question, what I have done, I have bifurcated this. This term. It is minus, अगर बाहर है तो सारे sign change हो जाएंगे. See the change what I have done. I have done minus p by 5 minus 40 by 5. Okay, so that becomes minus 8. Good, Manan. Okay, so now I have collected all the p terms on the, yes, left hand side. P by 3 plus p by 4 plus p by 5 is equal to 47, because 55 minus 8 is 47. So after taking the LCM, I am getting 20p plus 15p plus 12p upon 60 is equal to 47. So now adding up, I get 47p is equal to 47. So ending up my answer as p is equal to 60. राशि, I hope आपको ये step समझ में आया. अगर ये step ऐसे नहीं करना आपने, तो you can do one thing. You can take LCM for whole of the side. Even that is also correct. Okay? Okay. चलिए. Now question number 6, first part. Now first part is saying n by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. So very step will be, we will be taking the LCM. LCM is coming out to be 12. So it becomes 6n minus 9n plus 10n upon 12 is equal to 21. So on solving this, I am getting 7n is equal to 21 into 12. Now this 7 will go to denominator. So n will become 21 into 12 upon 7, which means 36. Our n will come out to be, yes, n is coming out to be
36.
36, yes. Now the next question is the second part. Okay, now our next question is a little bit interesting. It is saying 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7 is equal to 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Now first of all, we need to open up the brackets. So we are going to open up the brackets. So I'm getting 5x minus 4x plus 14 is equal to 6x minus 2 plus 7 by 2. Now again the step is we will collect all the x terms on the one side. So it is 5x minus 6x minus 4x, okay, is equal to minus 2 plus 7 by 2 minus 14. Now as one of the number is in fraction form, so obviously we'll have to take LCM, okay. In order to solve that, we will have to take LCM. So after taking the LCM and on side by side, we'll solve our x terms. So I'm getting minus 5x is equal to minus 4 plus 7 minus 28 by 2. So I'm getting minus 5x is equal to minus 25 by 2. So what I did, I just simply stuck off this minus sign. Then this 5 got stuck off with this 25, resulting in 5 by 2. So my x value is coming out to be, yes, x is coming out to be 5 by 2. Rashi, I hope आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा. I think it must be clear.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, great. चलिए. Now the seventh.
I have done this exercise.
Oh, that's very good. Rashi has also become too good. Very good, girl. Now, 3 into 5x minus 7. Okay. Bracket close. Minus 2 into 9x minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8x minus 13 minus 70. So the very first step will be opening up the brackets. Okay. And in that case, you have to see the signs. Please keep the signs in mind. Okay, beta? So it will become 15x minus 21 minus 18x plus 22 is equal to 32 minus 52 minus 17. Manan, why I have placed plus 22 whereas I have minus 11 in the bracket?
मैम into minus 2 is equal to, मैम जब minus और minus sign multiply होते हैं plus मिल जाते हैं.
Yes, very good. So on solving the thing, I am getting minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 32 minus 69, sorry. Okay, so minus 3x minus 32x is equal to minus 69 minus 2. So it will be minus 35x is equal to minus 70, which means x is equal to 2 because minus minus will get stuck off and 35 twos is 70. I hope it's clear. Yes. Now it's second part. Now this second part you will do on your own. I am not going to help you guys. It's 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10f minus 9. Yes, fastly. First of all, remove the decimal. Yes, very good. 100 on the both sides, so we will cut off this 25 and 5. This again we will cut off so that our equation becomes more simplified. We need not carry so much of big stuff.
Ma'am, 3 upon 5.
Yes. So after solving, I am getting 20f minus 15 is equal to 10f minus 9. So 10f come out to be 6. So f is coming out to be 3 by 5. Yes. Rashi, I hope you have done. Kindly give me some signal. Now, beta.
The value of f is 3 upon 5.
Yes. Okay. Now the next question. 3x plus 4 is divided by 2 minus 6x is equal to minus 2 upon 5. So now we will do the crisscross method. Okay. Now when we are doing crisscross, so this 5 is going to the left hand side and 2 minus 6x they are going to the right hand side. So I'm getting this on solving the brackets. Now I am getting 15x plus 20 is equal to minus 4 plus 20x. So on further solving, I am getting 3x is equal to minus 24. So that means my x value is coming out to be equal to minus 8. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. I'm clear.
मैम एक बार दोबारा वाला क्वेश्चन दिखाना.
This is the question. 3x plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6x is equal to minus 2 by 5.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chale. Now the next question. 7y plus 4 divided by y plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Again the crisscross method. Yes. Okay. So when we are solving the crisscross method, so we need to solve the brackets also. So 3 into 7y plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. So on solving this, I will be getting 21y plus 4y is equal to minus 8 minus 12. So 25y is equal to minus 20. So that means y is coming out to be minus 4 by 5.
4
Yes?
upon 5.
Yes. Okay. Now the ninth question. Yes, you are pretty fast, both of you. I really like this. Keep it up. Yes. Now, 2x minus 3 upon 2x minus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1 upon 3x plus 1. Now, in this question, just keep this thing in mind that keeping the signs in your mind is really important. Now, as you have seen, we will be focusing on the crisscross. So it will be 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So this 2x will be multiplied with 3x plus 1 and minus 3 will be multiplied with 3x plus 1. Similarly on the other side also. So
x is equal to minus 2.
yes, तो यहाँ पे आप अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, you are getting 6x square on both the sides. So that 6x square, it will be stuck off. So I am left with minus 7x minus 3 is equal to minus 5x plus 1. Okay, beta. So after solving the equation, I am getting minus 2x is equal to 4, which means x is equal to minus 2. Yes, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the next question. इसका सेकंड पार्ट है बेटा 2y plus 3 divided by 3y plus 2 is equal to 4y plus 5 divided by 6y plus 7. Okay, now solve this question. Give it a try. I am waiting for you. Okay, now बच्चे
Please wait a minute.
do you keep on solving beta? 2y plus 3 bracket 6y plus 7 is equal to 4y plus 5 into 3y plus 2. Okay, so when you are solving, you are getting 12y square plus 14y plus 18y plus 21 is equal to 12y square plus 8y plus 15y plus
y is equal to minus 11 upon 9.
तो हाँ जी बिल्कुल ठीक है. अब देखो बेटा 12y square दोनों साइड पे कॉमन है, so we will cut this off. Okay, so in the end what I am getting 32y minus 23y is equal to 10 minus 21. So 9y is equal to minus 11 and y is equal to minus 11 by 9. Yes, clear? Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
the 10th question. Solve x plus 3 divided by 3 minus x minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And you have to find p if 1 by x plus p is equal to 1. Okay, beta. So what we need to find first of all, obviously we need to find the value of x. तभी हमें p की value पता चलेगी. So now the very first step will be taking the LCM. Yes, LCM जब आपने लिया, so you have got 2x plus 6 minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 6. I have taken this 6 to the other side. So here it was in division state, so it got multiplied over there. Okay, beta. So minus x plus 12 is equal to, yes, it is equal to
x 6 है.
Yes, so x is coming out to be 6. Now I will put the value over here. So p is equal to 1 minus 6. That means p is equal to 6 minus
5 upon 6.
Yes, so p is coming out to be
Okay.
5 by 6. So with this we finish off our exercise. Okay.